and move that waistline like this, bro. Bro, look at me and look at you. When you go behind shorty, I need you, I don't know. Go. Don't even touch it. I ain't gonna touch it work. Let's start from the top with it. I don't know where you got them hits from. It ain't from me. You got your mother's rhythm. Look at my hits and look what you was doing. That's it, right there. Watch out. Watch out. No hands. You can't see nothing. So you gotta act like something stinks. Out the face. Go. Go. Bro, you gotta learn bachata with you or something because you don't know how to really dance. You moving like you're not even Spanish, bro. Watch out. Look at me. Look at me and look at you. Look at me and look at you. Bachata's in your blood already, bro. You ain't gotta do much. Easy, easy move. All right, follow me. Follow what I'm doing. 1, 2, 1, 2.